Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! New day, new vlog. At since nawala si Alice dito guys at si Max at work na, I'm planning to go to magji-gym ako guys. Kasi kailangan ko nang mag-workout. For the past few days, hindi ako nakapag-workout kasi pag weekend kasi nandito yung mag-ama at kailangan kong asikasuhin sila. So ngayon na mag-isa lang ako sa bahay, kailangan kong pumunta ng gym. Beautiful people, it's 2 o'clock afternoon here in Jakarta and I just finished my gym routine. Katatapos ko lang mag-gym guys, kaya kailangan kong uminom ng maraming tubig. Nag-steam bath pala ako ng 40 minutes sa gym. In a little while, darating na si Alice from school kasi today she have after school. So instead of coming home at 2:30, she will arrive at 3:30. So ito lang guys ang daily life ko. Magluluto ng maaga sa anak ko at pipick upin ko siya sa lobby pagdating niya ng galing school at mag-aaral siya ng konti. By the way, your salad, you just need to grate your carrots.
Thank you. That is what we eat. Nutella?
Yeah, I think she just finished her apple actually.
Okay.
Langga, you go take a shower in a while, huh? Good morning guys! Mayong buntag! Salamat pagi si Mua! Ito guys, punta ko sa isang mall kasi kailangan ko magpapakulay ng buhok ko. I need to color my hair today. At ito, umuulan na kaya kailangan kong mag-taxi kahit 10 minutes walk lang yung area. Kasi umuulan na kasi guys. So, habang wala si Alice at si Max, kailangan ko magpapakulay ng buhok. Kasi ayaw sumama ni Alice pag ganyan ka tagal mag-antay sa akin guys. Marami ng open ngayon kasi back to normal na yung life dito. Tapos na Eid al-Fitri, ang holy month nila tapos na, so medyo maraming tao na ulit dito. Lagi naman maraming tao actually ang mga mall nila. nagpatulong siya ng assistant. So, ito guys, pauwi na ako kasi parating na rin si Alice in the next 20 minutes. At huminto pala ako kasi bumili ako ng mga cake. Palagay ko mas bagay sa akin pag medyo dark yung buhok ito sa likod. Nakakapagod guys, naglakad at 2 hours. Masakit yung ulo ko kanina. Baho kasi yung gamot ng buhok. Yung pampakulay, mabaho siya. So finally guys, dumating na ako at kakain muna ako ng lunch. Nasa box na yung mga pagkain ko kasi piniprepare ko na kaninang umaga habang nagpiprepare ako ng pagkain ni Alice. Hi Pangga! Welcome back home! How's school?
Good.
Good. Did you enjoy it?
Mm-hmm.
What did you do today at school?
Today we do music, but we also play with the drums.
Okay, good. Later, I need to go to do my nails and my pedicure. So you have to stay here with Dad, okay?
Okay.
I will call your dad so he can come home a little bit early. Because I have appointment at 6 o'clock in the evening.
What's that?
6 o'clock later.
Who are you going to go with?
Alone, by myself.
Where?
Just nearby in our house.
To do what?
To do my nails.
Okay, okay. I just got kind of confused. Did you color your hair?
Yeah, I changed my color. Did you like it?
I kind of healthy.
What do you mean by not unhealthy? It's not healthy to color the hair?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm so happy with the result with my new hair. What do you think, Alice?
It's good, but I know it's not healthy.
It's not healthy to color the hair?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Hi, Langga. What are you doing, Langga?
Playing
What kind of game are you playing?
this game.
Which game?
This.
Okay. Okay, Mama will go down to the supermarket quickly to grab some salad for your dad
Okie dokie.
because I need to prepare his salad before I go to the nail salon, okay?
Okay.
What do you plan to eat for dinner? Can you look at your mom?
I'm not sure.
Huh?
I don't know what I'm going to eat.
Maybe just some light food?
Okay.
Okay, maybe Dad will prepare for you because I need to go to the nail salon, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just stay at home because I need to go down. Medyo sumakit yung ulo ko, guys. Porque lang kailangan kong lumabas kasi nakapag-book na ako sa nail salon. So, kailangan kong pumunta doon. 6 o'clock yung appointment ko. Kahit masakit yung ulo ko, pupunta ako kasi ayaw kong i-cancel yung booking ko. Kasi mahirap kasi mag-book sa nail salon na yun kasi palaging puno. Hi guys! Mag-prepare na ako ng dinner ni Max kasi aalis ako in the next 30 minutes. So, gusto lang daw niya kumain ng salad at si Alice ay busog naman. Kumain si Alice ng fruits now. Alice? Alice, for dinner, do you like to eat something? Huh? I'm going to prepare your dad's salad. So, carrots lang at lettuce ang ilalagay ko, guys, kasi hindi available ang tomato sa baba. Meron namang tomato sa baba, porque lang hindi fresh. Yung medyo medyo malambot na. Sobrang malambot na. Bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Bye, Alice. Bye, Alice. Where are you, Alice? Cannot see you. So, paalis na ako, guys. Mabuti naman at dumating ng medyo maaga yung asawa ko. Kasi kailangan may titingin kay Alice. Wala kasi kaming yaya, guys. Ako lang ang nasa bahay. Dito na ako, guys, sa mall. Hopefully matatapos ako ng at least 2 hours. Tagal kasi yung nail gel ba yun? Yung gel sa kuko. Matagal kasi yan. Dumating na ako ng bahay. From 6 to 8 din yun. Ay, kakapagod. Sakit pa rin ulo ko, guys. Oh! What are you doing? You writing your journal?
Yes.
Why you look sad? Did you eat something?
Yes.
Okay. See my nails.
Let me see it.
Nice.
Brown, like my skin.